Hello students, how are you? I'm going to show you how to join Google Meet. As you all know by now, you are going to start online meetings with your teachers with different subjects. So you will be opening your respective class. For example, if today you have a math class at 11, you go to Google Classroom, you open your math class at the time, ahead of time, you prepare yourself, and this is your sample class for the purpose of this video. So any class that you have a lesson for, you have to open it. Under the name of the lesson, of the subject, I mean, you will see this link. This is the link of the Google Meet. You click on it, and you will be able to join the session with your teacher and your classmates. So let me I have a slow but it's starting. You can see camera is starting. At the bottom of the screen, you will have the microphone and the camera. You can switch off, turn off the camera if you don't want to show your face to your friends or to your teacher, and you can turn off the microphone. Normally, the teacher will tell you when to turn on your microphone. She will guide you through the lesson whenever she needs you to turn on your video in case, or the camera in case you have to. Now you will see you have to join the class. So I click on join. I'm a student now, and as you can see, this is your teacher, and this is another student in the class. And you will see that there are 3 people in this class at the moment. This is a sample class for you to see how it will appear. When the teacher will start presenting the lesson, you will see the lesson in front of you, and if she chooses to show her face on the camera, she will switch on the camera as well. All these instructions will be given to you by your teacher in that class. But for now, all you have to learn is how to join Google Meet. These are the steps, and you will be able to join. Once the lesson is done and the teacher asks you to leave, you have to click on the leave call button over here. Okay, I hope this is helpful. I'll be posting another video in case you are using a phone or a tablet for Google Meet.